Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and typically I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to go over our 52 certifications in 52 weeks, and we are going to, you might see me in this very exact outfit doing multiple of these update videos because I've gotten a lot of certifications and I haven't necessarily updated you guys every week. It's a little tough to put on a full face of makeup, get my hair done for just one video to put out there, but we're doing a lot today. So let's jump into it. So today we're going to cover the social media marketing certification from Hubspot. So I did take this certification. This was my second certification for the 52 certifications in 52 weeks. And how did I feel about the certification? The certification was very easy for me, is what I will say. I feel like I could have taken the certification exam without having gone through all of the information that was in this course. But also, social media is part of my job and part of my company here at Salesforce Emily. And so I also have my MBA as well as my degree in business, and a lot of it had to do with marketing. So I was already familiar with all of these concepts. But I felt like it was a really good base layer to say, hey, these are some of the baseline things that you should know about the various social media websites and how to use them. This could be a good certification for someone who is not familiar with social media and social media tools and social media marketing. I'm thinking of people at both ends of the spectrum. So I'm in like the cutoff between millennial and Gen Z, but I feel like this could be really good for like older Gen X to boomer, or like younger Gen Z to alpha who's just coming up into the workforce and they need to know how the various different social media types have worked in the past, and what types of content are good for what platforms when they are using it, not just for being social or for watching funny videos about Fortnite for the younger people or for watching funny cat videos for the older people. But I feel like this is a good way to show, hey, this is how you use social media for a business. This is how you use it for a company or to market yourself on LinkedIn or YouTube or Instagram for your business or what have you. So I'll run through some of the sections that were on this course. Now, HubSpot has these courses laid out already for you. They are a lot of video lectures and then some hands-on. This one was mostly video lectures. It covered, I'm reading this off their website, developing a social media strategy, which talked about, hey, what are your goals with social media? What do you want to do on social media other than just watching funny videos? Another one, the next one is going to be social media listening and monitoring. So how do you monitor your campaigns on social media? How do you listen to your customers on social media? Next is building a content strategy for social media. Like, hey, we want to reach people for this business. What social media is going to work best for the various business types, and how would you implement that? Next is extending your reach on social media. Then it's using social media to build one-on-one relationships. Introduction to social media advertising. So it talks about like paid advertising and pay-per-click. Now this one goes a little bit more in depth. It also talks about influencer marketing. This one, and this is where it gets a little bit more in depth than just, hey, Instagram is great for this specific market, or LinkedIn is good for this specific market. But this is where it talks about, okay, we have some money to put towards ads, and how would you go about doing that on the various social media platforms? Next is measuring your social return on investment. So based upon either advertising money or the amount of sweat equity you put into a particular campaign on social media, how did that work? How did it go? And how would you measure the success of that campaign? Next was, and I guess the last section of this, is the essentials for continued success with social media. So talking about how consistency really matters on social platforms to build up a trust with your audience and with your brand. Which I feel like if you are at all on social media, and I'm including YouTube in on this as well, if you're at all familiar with it and how, if you've heard people talk about being an influencer or how it works to generate videos, I feel like a lot of this would be fairly intuitive. The certification did not take very long. This certification I think it has like 7 hours of videos, but I 2x speed that, and there were some sections that I felt like, okay, I understand the concepts of this. I can skip this. So I don't think it took me more than maybe 3 hours to get this certification. And if I'm being totally honest, I thought that this was about the Marketing Hub certification and like understanding how to use the HubSpot software. But once I got into it, I was like, okay, I guess I could get this one really fast. And then I'll go into the Marketing Hub later on and learn how to use HubSpot for their specific marketing tools, which I guess having the social media marketing is really great for having that baseline before I jumped into the Marketing Hub certification. But I will be reading the titles of certifications a little bit closer after this certification. So this is going to wrap up number 2. You'll probably be seeing these videos out of order. I hope that you found this video helpful or informative, or maybe you just enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and join along for this 52 certifications in 52 weeks. I do also post these closer in real time over on LinkedIn. You can find me there at Emily Colombier. I'm also a LinkedIn learning instructor, so you can find my courses there. Thanks so much. Catch you guys in the next one.